meal services. Along with cooking, its proper presentation is equally important. By presenting a simple dish through elegant ways, the food can become more appetizing and more pleasing. The basic principles of meal services. The utensils in which the food is poured should be neat and clean. The utensils in which food is poured and the food is served should be neat and clean. The arrangement of vegetables should be colorful as it adds more pleasing effect in it. Food should be poured in the bowls according to its capacity as it gives the fine and pleasing look. We can also use different garnishing methods to make the presentation more appealing. Flower arrangement can make the food presentation more attractive. Next is different methods of meal services. The meal services includes trolley service, tray service, which is further divided into tray service for one person or tray service for more than one person. The next is Eastern method of meal service, which further divided into the serving on dining table and the serving on dining cloth. The fourth one is Western method of meal service, which includes informal style, and the last one is buffet service. The first one is trolley service. Here are some pictures related to trolley service. This method is used to serve food, tea, or drinks to the guest with the help of trolley. The guest does not have to move from their places in this type of service. This method requires less time and effort of the host and provides great services. All the edibles should be placed on the above tray of the trolley and cutlery should be on the lower one. It's because the guest can easily take the food from the above tray of the trolley. Whether we can place single napkins on each plate or a single tissue box is enough for the trolley. We can serve the food by placing the trolley between 2 or 3 guests, and plates and napkins should be served from the other side of the trolley. Guests can take their food from the above tray, and then we pass the trolley to the other guests so they can have the meal in the same way until all the guests have their meal. After a while, trolley should be passed again so that guests can have anything they want. Guests can place the used crockery on the nearest table, which can be removed by servants through tray, or after the departure of guests, it can be removed. In trolley service, drinks should not be served in glasses or cups. Cups and glasses should be placed on the above tray of the trolley, and jugs and pots which contain beverages should be on the lower one. The drink should be poured in front of the guests. Now, tray service. Tray serving have 2 types. The first is tray service for one person, and the next one is tray service for more than one person. Tray service for one person or a single person. Through tray service, food can be served to any sort of guest or ill person. The following steps should be followed while you are serving the food with tray. The tray should be of enough size which can accommodate the food and utensils for a guest or a person. The tray should accommodate both things. The adequate size is 12 by 18 inches, and the tray should have a proper handles to carry it firmly. Tray should also have cover on it. The tray cover should be neat, clean, and made up of thick cloth. Due to limited space, the cutlery should be arranged accordingly. Tray food should be placed in such a way that the plates should be in front of an individual. Serving bowls or dishes should be on the right side. On the top of the tray there should be napkins, and should be the serving bowl can be on the right or on the top of the tray, and napkins should be placed on the plates. Water glass should be present on the top right side of the tray. Small arrangement should also be present on the left side, top left, as it gives the tray a pleasing effect. Tray cover should be of light material or which used to cover that certain tray, and the corner of it should have any sort of embellishments like lace which give it a fall look, give it a fall. Here are some pictures of tray service for a single person. Now it's tray service for more than one person. In tray service of more than one person, usually plates and bowls are arranged above one another, and napkins are usually placed on the right side of the tray. For many person, tray is usually used for serving beverages in teas. In tray service, make sure all the handles of the bowls and cups should be on one direction. Here are some pictures of tray service for more than single person.